Hey guys, Alex here for episode 7 of Bucktalks. Today we're going to be talking about customer communication and expectations. Most customers in your area, or really anywhere, that are interested in keeping their car clean are curious about an exterior wash. Explain your process and how it's a little bit different than another detailer in your area or just another tunnel wash. Explain some of the products that you use. Something like the Ray Company Cyclone Wash Mitt is a great option. It's going to do a lot less damage than a dollar store sponge. Explain your 2-bucket method or whatever method you choose to use. If you're in a water restricted area, explain why you use something like O&R. It's just as effective as a water and soap wash. And like Levi from the Ray Company says, most people just want a shiny car. If you're doing an exterior, is it just a wash? Does that include the wheels? Something like the Coach Chemi Magic Glue Cleaner. If you want to do an extra add-on service, communicate with them. Explain that it's going to be extra. And if it's a repeat customer and you just want to do something nice, go above and beyond, you can do the wheels, agitate it with something like the Detail Factory brush, agitate the lug nuts, get into the barrels with something like a wheel woolly, something like that, and rinse it off, or again, use O&R to clean it up. Does that exterior wash include an interior wipe down with something like the Ray Company 16x27? Are you just dusting it? If it is an interior, does that include the exterior? Again, communicate with them. Use something like the P&S Express Interior Cleaner to just quickly spray down, clean it up. Are you dressing it? Are you putting something on the dash, on the consoles, on the seats, anything like that? Communicate with them. Does your interior include vacuum, extraction, a coating on the leather, a steam service? Again, just be clear with your customer and give them exactly what they want, and tell them if you want anything extra that there are additional costs associated with that. So again, when it comes to expectations, exterior, if you're doing a wash and you're putting something like bead maker on it, explain that that's only going to last about 3 months. It's not a 1-year protection. It's something really, really simple that you apply with something like the Gauntlet, and gives them a few months and makes their car really, really shiny. And if you are doing a coating, or if they're expecting a coating, whether that be something like G-Technique, CSL, and EXO, or is it just a spray coating? There's a lot of graphene infused spray coatings that give a lot of expectations of lasting a really long time. Explain to your customer, hey, if you want your coating to last a long time, you're going to have to do something like paint correction. And again, be clear with them that that will take time. And something like cleaning your paint with a ultra clay towel from the Ray Company. It's like shaving skin. You're exfoliating the paint, getting rid of all the contaminants. So tired of paint correction, using this, then applying the coating is going to make it last as long as it's suggested to last. I was having a conversation with some of the other ambassadors that if you're applying a coating and there's someone else in your area doing it for a lot less, describe to your customer your process, that it's different. If you're painting a dirty floor, there's still going to be paint on it. But if you prep it and then apply the paint, it's going to last a lot longer. So put it into terms your customers understand, because they're not detailers. That's what we are. Explain to them the benefits of proper prep and just the maintenance that they have to do afterwards. If you coat a car, it doesn't mean you don't have to wash it again. There's still care that needs to be had. So definitely things to consider. So be open with your customers. And if you have any questions, feel free to send me a direct message on Instagram at BuckyVW. If you're shopping at the Ray Company, use Bucky15. If you're up in Canada at Auto Obsessed, use Bucky15. And I highly recommend that you check out the Ray Company YouTube channel, the Ray Company FAQ YouTube channel, and the Ray Company Podcast YouTube channel. They're great sources. So have a good day, guys. Thanks.